Creating vlog style reels are one of my favorite videos to create. So today I'm sharing one of the videos from out of my video editing course, Edit Like a Savvy Pro, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you want the full course on how to actually edit full YouTube videos, then click on the link in the description box. But until then, enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a vlog style video. These videos are also really popular on social media for like lifestyle content, showing a day in the life, showing the behind the scenes of what you're doing. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. You can either do this like naturally inside the CapCut app, which is the first way, but I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can do this that you may not have thought of. So this is the CapCut templates library. So this is the home page, and then basically you would have to go here for templates. They have the same thing on the app for your phone, but in these templates you would search up vlog, and as you can see they have different vlogs that you could possibly use to create your own. So they have day in the life mini vlog. They have a whole bunch of different videos, so let's see. Press play, fast forward. And what I like about the templates is you don't really have to do anything. You just have to sort of just drag and drop, There's different ways you can add it. I hope you think about me, yeah, I just wanna die with you. So we'll just, I'm going to show you how to create the vlog. So you can just import your videos. And this is just like a few videos that I took when I was like just out on a walk. Now these most likely will be, I'm going to just automatically add it in there. And now you can press done. And it just preloads it into your editor. Now that actually showed like, some other videos. If you don't add the videos manually, it'll still show the other creators' content. So yeah, I just replaced everything again, and basically you'll see the same videos over again. So you can replace and you can drag and drop your videos into here. Another way you could do this is, I'm just going to delete this. You could just manually add all of your videos. If you wanted to edit it a specific way. And you can manually do it yourself. So this doesn't need to be that long. So I would put this down to like, and I want to say for vlogs, you don't want to have the videos really be more than like 6 seconds since it's for social media. That's why when you see these vlog type videos, they are super fast, and it's because people's attention spans are horrible. So if you can, just keep your vlog clips, 3 to 6 seconds. If you want to do shorter, that's even better. Right? So it's funny. That may be a little too short. So, and then you can go to audio, and you could either choose like a trending sound. So let's see what this is.
Now you storming out my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to
Want to mute these, and basically you can sort of like edit the videos to the beat.
now you storming out my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to
And you can also add other things like transitions. So maybe you wanted it to transition into the next clip.
now you storming out my house in the middle of the
You could add that, or you can change the filters if you wanted to look a little different. Maybe add some effects to the video. You can do all of that in CapCut. And then you would just press export. Keep it at the resolution that you recorded it in. So these videos came from on my phone, so they were most likely 1080p, 30 frames per second, MP4, and then export. And also you want to remember to basically make sure you clip the sound if you do use any CapCut sounds. Or you could just download the video without sound and use the sounds from Instagram or TikTok. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.